Alright, what's going on, guys? Today should be a pretty quick video, but this is my Honda Civic, and as you can see up here, this plastic is really quite faded from the sun. Now, this is a new car. I think it's a 2013. It's my wife's car. I don't really drive it a whole lot, but it's the Civic, and it's not too bad anywhere else. You can see up here the plastic isn't too bad. Doors aren't too bad. They could do a little bit of a shining, but my main concern is up here because this is so white and ugly. There's a little bit of a difference here. You can see this is a little bit darker, a little bit lighter. I've already tried to use Armor All before, and it really didn't work too well, and it didn't last that long. So I went on YouTube and internet, whatnot, and tried to find something that was a little bit better, and I found someone that used automatic transmission fluid. So what this stuff is supposed to do is rehydrate all of your nasty plastics and whatnot that have been sitting out in the sun. So I'm just gonna get a little before. And that's what it looks like. It's all white. And let's see how this works. I'm going to put it on a rag and wipe it down, see how it does. Now you can see on here, it's already making a huge difference. So, just wanted to show you guys. Look at what happens. I've got a rag here. I've already cleaned all of this off before I started doing this because it was pretty dirty. So just wiping this stuff in, the plastic is just soaking it up. You just got to make sure, because this is a textured surface, so I'm getting all up in the grooves. And take a look at the difference it is making. It is nice, shiny, black. It's just all the oils are being absorbed back into this plastic. And this is like 10 times better than the Armor All that I was using. So the real test here is how long it'll last. So I'm gonna finish this up, let you guys see what it looks like when it's all done, and then what you're supposed to do is have the stuff soak in really well and leave it, do it a few times, and then get some UV protection so it doesn't fade again, obviously. But I'm gonna see how well this stuff does and let you guys see the results. And take a look at that. I'm all done. This thing is shining like it's been detailed and it's brand new. Now, this feels like it's too good to be true. So this is not going to be the end of the video. I'm gonna do updates probably about a week, because you're supposed to do this a few times, let it soak in, do it again, let it soak in, make sure it's completely re-soaked with all the oils or whatnot that keep this shiny. And if you guys do this, you don't have to worry about getting this on the paint. It's not going to ruin your paint like power steering fluid or brake fluid, whichever one. It's not going to corrode your paint. Once you're all done with this, just get a dry rag, wipe it off. It's completely fine. So if you have this problem, your stuff's fading, so far it looks like you should definitely give this a try. Look at that, it is gorgeous. It's like brand new. So maybe I'm gonna go around the rest of the car and do this, maybe make it a little bit shiny, and I'll be back, let you guys know how well this actually works in the long run.